guys, welcome back to this channel. What's up with you all? I hope you all are doing all right. Please, before I want to proceed with this video, I would like to say RIP to Sultan. If at all you're stopping by for your very first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on any latest gossip we're going to be giving you guys of your favorite celebrities. Thank you all who have been supporting me. I really appreciate you all. So guys, I would like to say RIP to Sultan as he has actually passed on at the age of 44. Yeah guys, 44, as he was born on November 27th, 1976. So guys, might interest you all to know that Sultan, some of you may be wondering, who is Sultan? Sultan was a Nigerian rapper, a singer, a songwriter, an actor, comedian, and including a recording artist. He is regarded as one of the persisters of modern hip-hop in Nigeria. He was born on the 27th of November 1976, making him 44 years in just Nigeria. He was married to a beautiful woman called Chichimora, and they got married since 2009. This man was signed under Kenny's Music from 1997 to 2008, where he got signed into another label known as Naija Ninjas from 2008 to present day, where he has passed on. Talking about the awards he won the City People Music Special Recognition Award and many more. This man was a raw talent in those days when Nigeria was still upcoming in this entertainment industry stuff. He's one of the people that actually brought Nigeria to the spotlight. When we talk about his education, he schooled in Lagos State University. He went to Federal Government College in Ogbomoso. RIP to this man who was said to have passed on just today. Few minutes ago, he was announced to have passed on. RIP to this man who has left 3 beautiful children, 1 girl and 2 boys. Well guys, we know nothing because all we know is man was born to live and at a certain time stop living. We can't question God. All we can say is RIP. We pray may he journey into the world beyond. Alright guys, there's a short compiled video of this man, of everything he did before he passed on today. Watch the video till the end and get to leave your thoughts right down in the comment section below. Before you want to watch the video, just a quick reminder: do well to be kind to people, do well to live your best life, do well to serve God, because tomorrow isn't assured. No one knows tomorrow, guys. So guys, by the time we know what actually made this man to pass on, we will let you guys know. As for now, his family just disclosed he's passed on without giving any reason why he's passed on. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, guys, and watch the video till the end. RIP once more.